Welcome to Kudos Kuber. This is the part 2. In this video, we dive deep into the recent expansion of the BRICS group, a significant move that's reshaping global politics and economics. With the addition of new members like Iran, Egypt, and Saudi Arabia, BRICS is challenging the dominance of Western powers and pushing for a more balanced world order. We'll explore what this expansion means for global governance, economic cooperation, and the future of international alliances. Challenges on the horizon. While the expansion of BRICS brings with it many opportunities, it also presents significant challenges. The inclusion of countries with diverse political and economic interests could make it more difficult for BRICS to reach consensus on key issues. For instance, there are existing tensions between Egypt and Ethiopia over the Nile River Dam, and between Iran and its Gulf neighbors. These conflicts of interest could complicate the group's decision-making process and hinder its ability to act as a cohesive unit. Moreover, the diverse economic structures and development levels of the new members could pose challenges in terms of harmonizing economic policies and achieving common objectives. BRICS will need to carefully navigate these differences to ensure that the group remains united and effective in its mission. Argentina's withdrawal, a reminder of geopolitical realities. Argentina's decision to decline the invitation to join BRICS is a reminder of the complexities involved in international alliances. Under the leadership of President Javier Milei, Argentina chose to prioritize its existing foreign policy alignments over joining BRICS. This decision highlights the fact that, despite the appeal of joining a powerful bloc like BRICS, individual countries will always weigh their own national interests and geopolitical realities before making such a commitment. Argentina's withdrawal also serves as a cautionary tale for BRICS as it continues to expand. The group will need to be mindful of the diverse interests and priorities of its members to avoid potential conflicts and ensure that all members feel their concerns are addressed. A new era for global governance. The expansion of BRICS is more than just an increase in membership. It's a bold statement about the future of global governance. As the world moves towards a more multipolar order, BRICS is positioning itself as a key player in shaping that future. The group's expanded membership, with its diverse range of countries and economies, reflects a broader push for a more inclusive and equitable global order. However, the success of this expansion will depend on BRICS' ability to manage the challenges that come with it. The group will need to work hard to align the interests of its diverse members and maintain its cohesion in the face of global challenges. If it can do so, BRICS has the potential to reshape global governance and create a more balanced and fair world order. Conclusion: the road ahead for BRICS. As BRICS embarks on this new chapter in its history, it faces both significant opportunities and challenges. The expansion of its membership is a testament to the group's growing influence and its potential to drive change in the global order. However, the road ahead is not without its hurdles. BRICS will need to navigate the complexities of its diverse membership and work to build consensus on key issues. If successful, the expanded BRICS could emerge as a powerful force in global politics and economics, challenging the traditional dominance of Western powers and advocating for a more inclusive and multipolar world. The coming years will be crucial in determining the group's ability to realize this vision and shape the future of global governance.